Welcome to another episode of Good Food, Smokes, Vibes. On this episode, a very special episode, we're going to show you how to, before we get into that, I just want to say that this channel is about education, sharing, and just learning, expanding. So, that being said, there's a lot of special people out there that need help with their cooking abilities. So we're gonna keep it very simple. So that being said, we're gonna show you how to boil some goddamn water. Boil some water. And here we are. You see those little bubbles building at the bottom of the pot? Oh, that's the good stuff right there. There you have it. The little bubbles become bigger ones. And then it becomes a boil. This is just for water. If you're gonna boil pasta in it, you want to add salt, some oil. Place the pasta in it and boil for 10 minutes and you're done. And that is how you boil water. And there you have it. Simple, right? Any questions?